Today's strategy is very easy and it will allow you to earn money within minutes. It's also free and it works worldwide. So just stay with me without skipping any second of this video in order to get everything right and also to get a free tool that will help you maximize your results. But before starting, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World for more videos like this one on how to make money online. Now let me show you what you need to do in order to make money with this brand new strategy. The very first platform that I will show you today is called Social Pilot, and I'm over at socialpilot.co. This is a platform that will manage your social media accounts. And don't worry, you don't need to have any social media account or even to pay for this. Actually, there are many people out there who are maybe running a business or company and don't have time to run their social media, that will look for platforms just like this one that will do all of the work for them so they can focus on other things related to their business. And by scrolling down a little bit, you'll see that Social Pilot is the most cost-effective marketing tool. There is a huge difference in prices between Social Pilot and some of its biggest competitors. Not only it offers lower prices, but also a free trial. For managing 25 profiles, accounts, they charge $50 a month, which, let's face it, it's not a lot of money, while this website will charge you $130 for managing 20 profiles. With that said, you can read more about this platform and its cool features on socialpilot.co. And all you need to do in order to start making money with this platform is to scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page, and here underneath the company section you need to click on affiliate program. And as you can see, you can earn 30% recurring commission for Social Pilot subscription sales. Even though there are platforms that offer higher commissions, something that will draw more people to this tool is the free trial that I mentioned before. Because when people try this out for free, they'll see that it's helping them and they'll be more willing to continue and pay for it. And I'm going to give you some traffic sources so you can use in order to attract more people and make more money. And we won't be using any social media platform to promote Social Pilot. I will instead show you a way to find people that will need this tool to do the work for them. Then they will be more than happy to sign up to it. But how does their affiliate program work exactly? Well, first of all, you need to join Social Pilot, and it is absolutely free to join their affiliate program. From there, you'll need to advertise Social Pilot to get some people to sign up using your affiliate link. And when they do, you earn money. You keep earning 30% commission for every new paid subscription with them. You get commission for every renewal. So if someone signs up for a monthly plan, you'll earn money for that plan. But if they renew it and sign up for another month, you'll still earn money again and again. And it works the same even with the annual plan. And that's why Social Pilot is the great place for affiliate marketing, because you don't need too many customers in order to make a lot of money. And another thing worth mentioning is that they pay you through PayPal, which I guess most of you prefer this payment option. A bit of a drawback is that they have $50 as a minimum balance required for payout, but considering all the other great features this platform has, that's not too big of a deal. So to get started making money as an affiliate on Social Pilot, you'll need to create an account for absolutely free, so just click here on the Get Started button. And then all you need to do is to put your first name, last name, email address, password, agree to the affiliate terms, and then click on Sign Up. After creating your account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Here you'll be able to track your clicks, referrals, customers, and unpaid earnings. Right now I say 0 because I just created this account for the purpose of this video. If you scroll a little bit down, you're going to get your affiliate link so you can share with other people, so you can copy it right here. And now that you got your affiliate link, I'm going to show you how to get traffic to it so you can actually get paid. And what you can use are some freelancing websites such like Fiverr, Quick and Gigs, and also People per Hour. We will not be seeking services on these freelancing websites, nor we will work as a freelancer. There is another thing that we will use in order to get some traffic to our link. And what you need to do, for example, here on People Per Hour, is to click on the search button right here and then click on Search Offers. And here you have to search for social media management. This will now show you people that are offering their services as freelancers and are doing what Social Pilot is actually doing, and all of them are making a lot of money. The first person here has over 8,000 of reviews and it is charging $155. So he has managed to make thousands of dollars, and this is not the only person making a lot of money with this service. And as you can see, there are more than 1,000 of results, which means more than 1,000 potential customers, because all of these people have to do all of the work themselves and they can only manage some social media accounts at a time. So by using Social Pilot, they will not only be investing a small amount of money, but they will get a huge return on that investment. So you can see on Social Pilot that a monthly membership can cost as little as $25. Meanwhile, this person here is charging $155 per customer, and they are wasting a lot of time and effort, and they will benefit from Social Pilot. It is a great price and they offer a free trial. Both will enable you to get more customers. So what you need to do right now is to contact these people. So you need to click in their offer right here, and then you have to click on their account name, and you'll be able to reach them by clicking here on contact. And what you'll tell them is very important. You must not send to them your affiliate link here on People Per Hour, because you'll get banned. What you instead need to do is to tell them that you have a business proposition for them that will help them out, and you can leave your email address so they can reach out to you for further communication. And then while communicating via email, you can give them your affiliate link. And once they contact you, you tell them about Social Pilot's feature, the free trial, low prices, and that they will make a lot more money by investing just a tiny sum on Social Pilot. And then you can repeat the same thing again and again. Find potential customers on different freelancing websites. You can use even Fiverr or quickandgigs.com in order to find people that are providing this service. The more you find, the more possibility you will have to make more money. So contact all of them, get their email address, and then send them your affiliate link. Before closing today's video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one if you haven't already, with notifications on, so you can get notified whenever I post a new video on how to make money online and therefore make the most money. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.